If you're still using an iPhone 11 and you're wondering whether iOS 27 is worth installing, this video is for you because today we're taking a look at iOS 27 on the iPhone. 11, what's new, which features are available, how the phone performs, and whether you should update, so stay until the end because the iPhone 11 is still one of the most popular iPhones, and many users are asking if it can still keep up with Apple's newest software. Let's get started. First, the good news is that the iPhone 11 is still capable of running iOS 27, which means you continue receiving new features, security improvements, and system updates. However, it's important to remember that not every new feature will be available. Some advanced Apple Intelligence features require newer hardware, so certain AI tools may only work on more recent iPhone models. And even so, there are still plenty of improvements that iPhone 11 users can enjoy. One of the first things you'll notice is the updated interface menus feel cleaner, animations are smoother, and several built-in apps have received small design improvements. Apple has also refined notifications, making them easier to manage and helping reduce unnecessary distractions throughout the day. The lock screen also gets useful improvements. You have more customization options, additional widgets, and more flexible shortcuts, allowing you to personalize your iPhone more than before. The Photos app has also been updated. Searching for pictures is faster, albums are better organized, and editing tools are easier to access. If you take a lot of photos, these improvements make managing your library much simpler. Another area that improves is privacy. Apple continues adding stronger privacy controls, making it easier to decide which apps can access your location, camera, microphone, photos, and contacts. Reviewing these settings only takes a few minutes, but it can greatly improve your privacy. Performance is another important topic on the iPhone 11. iOS 27 generally feels smooth during everyday tasks, opening apps, switching between applications, browsing the web, and watching videos all remain fast and responsive. Of course, because this is older hardware, very demanding games or heavy multitasking may not perform quite as well as on Apple's newest devices. Battery life is another common concern. Many users want to know if iOS 27 drains the battery faster. The answer depends on your battery health. If your battery is still in good condition, most users should experience performance similar to previous versions. Apple has also continued improving background optimization to help reduce unnecessary power usage. Now, should you install iOS 27 on your iPhone 11? For most users, the answer is yes, especially if you want the latest security updates, bug fixes, and system improvements. Just remember that some exclusive AI features are designed for newer iPhone models, so your experience may not be identical to the latest devices. Now, let's be honest, the iPhone 11 continues to be an excellent smartphone for everyday use, and the fact that it still receives major iOS updates shows how long Apple supports its devices. So to summarize, iOS 27 on the iPhone 11 brings a refreshed interface, better notification management, lock screen improvements, updated photos features, stronger privacy controls, security updates, and smooth overall performance for daily use. Because honestly, if you own an iPhone 11, iOS 27 helps keep it feeling modern, reliable, and ready for another year of everyday use.